Welcome back, guys. Today just having a look at this extra little piece. This quarter panel is in fairly good condition, so I don't want to replace it. But the problem is this little section in the corner here is all rotten and rusty and got welds on the back of it from repairs. So we're just looking at trying to fit that little end machine piece, go there like that, and maybe where it tucks behind the other panel we might spot weld if we use it all, or I might cut this off much higher up about here, and then maybe it'll get butt welded roughly where that line is there. Right then, more cutting and grinding done. Pretty much got this piece in here now, so you can see the fit there. Not too bad. This wheel arch obviously being replaced, so we don't need that lip there. This lip's pretty much lining up with this one. Obviously the new wheel arch will sit on top of there. New piece of floor will sit on top of here. This edge is clamping into place nicely. I guess the worst bit of the fit is here, but that does press in from there, and also you can press the panel from the inside. Unfortunately my clamp, that one, doesn't quite have a deep enough throat to make it all the way to the join, nor does my other clamp. However, because I'm going to spot weld this, the spot welder jaws will be able to reach all the way down there, and they'll pull those two panels together. So that's that works out all right. Yeah, so just showing you that will get filled and just the edge of it ground, so that should make a nice fit on that panel. And on the inside you can see, well hopefully you can see there where the panel's joggled. It's not too bad. Yeah, we put a little bit of filler on it on the inside, make it tidy, but I don't think anyone will mind too much. Right, so there you go, another bit lined up. Just a bit more prep needed, and then do the weld. Thanks guys, see you later.